I want to welcome everyone back to another episode of Generational Investors. Attention to all my teens, all my adolescents. This episode is for you. So if you have a cousin, you have a niece, a nephew, for all my grandparents, all my parents, share this particular episode with them because we're going to talk about the top 10 side hustles for teens. That's right. This is one for all my teens out there. So I hope you got your pen. I hope you got your pad because as the summer comes around, I know you're looking for opportunity to make some money. So I'm here to let you know this is the time. So hit that like, hit the subscribe, and we're going to go through this little list right here. And hopefully by the end of this episode, you can start. All right, start today while I wait. The first one we want to talk about is lawn mowing. How about you start that lawn mowing services, starting cutting grass? I mean, it's gonna get hot. I mean, it's just basically summer's around the corner, and you can charge between $40 to $70 per lawn. So just depends on, you might have a senior citizen person who don't have time to cut their grass. How about you? That's right, I'm talking to you. Start that lawn care business, that side hustle, that lawn mowing side hustle. Start small, scale up, and never know where it can go. And then we want to keep it going. Babysitting, okay? Parents are always looking for someone to watch their children. If you love kids, if you love the babies, start. You can start with $10 to $15 an hour, and then just never know where it can go. Okay, only go up from here. So got all the tools ready to watch someone's kids, maybe a date night, or a single parent don't have the much energy or just limited on time. You can be that person that steps right on in and start to watch their child or children. Okay, and then want to go to the next one on the list is the YouTube channel. Yes, that's right, that's why I started this thing, to inform, to educate, to enlighten people who looking to become financially free. But for you, maybe it's a niche that you are really passionate about, or whatever it could be: gaming, makeup, tools, any type of technology devices. You know how to fix stuff, you know how to make stuff, cook stuff. The list goes on. YouTube University, that's what I call it, has a plethora of things that you can start on your own channel. Okay, start your own channel. So that's something to consider. Then we go to home cleaning. Everybody needs someone to clean up after them, I would say, especially if they don't have time. So maybe you be that person, say, you know what, I'll come clean your home for how much? $15 to $25 an hour. That's right, $15 to $25 an hour. Clean up your home, your apartment, wherever you stay at. But keep it clean, keep it nice, and never know. Word of mouth goes around. You does a good job of quality work. You good with customer service. Your business can go. That's right, it can go far. So home cleaning. Moving to car washing. That's right, we can keep it coming. Car washing, as the summer comes so fastly approachingly, people might not have time to go to the car wash. You can be that personal car wash person. That's right. For how much? Getting paid $15 to $30 an hour. That's right. You want to keep these rims clean. You want to keep the interior clean. You want to wax, shine. Just so much opportunity out here because people always need their car wash, need their truck wash, need something like a transportation wash. And like I said, you can be that person. And then we want to talk about bake and sell cookies. That's right. You are really good with baking. You are really good with chocolate chip, white macadamia nut, red velvet, oatmeal raisin. The list goes on. Maybe it's a cookie that ain't been designed yet and you want to design it. There's money to be made, okay? There is money to be made and opportunity is right in front of you. Let's move on to mystery shopper. The mystery shopper, you're a person who likes style, you like fashion. How about you get paid for this? How much you say? $10 to $15 per task. Okay, so it can varies, but you can make some money while you shop. That's right, while you shop. Whatever you want to go get, why don't you get paid for it? Think about it. Moving to transcribe audio files. This one right here. Just take a little bit of time and a little bit of work, but don't fret because you can get paid $15 to $60. That's right, 60 an hour. Okay, so $15 to $60 an hour for transcribing audio files, and the list goes on. Okay, so good with technology, you're good with taking notes, this one could be for you. Moving to all my gamers. Shout out to all the gamers out there. Online game streaming services, the list goes on. How about you start your YouTube channel with online gaming? Twitch, a very popular one that a lot of the gamers use to stream all their games. Whether it's fighting games, shooting games, whether it's adventurous games, mystery games, you name it. But you can get paid. I'm talking about make some money here. So online gaming. And let's close this segment out with review products. Reviewing products. All right, so this one right here can range. Let's talk about the short test pay. Short test pay can range $10 or more. Longer ones pay $60 or more. Okay, so you can review any type of product. When I talk about any type of product, makeup, clothing, smart devices, whether it's some type of phone, some type of drone, some type of iPad, computer, and some people review games. They actually review games, gameplay, and see how the graphics and all that works. So you can really review anything. You got people who review food testers, seeing if it's good, if it's whack, or what. But you can get paid, okay? You can get paid when it comes to just testing out and seeing, is it going to really make a sale or is it going to be a fail? That's right. But all these side hustles, for all my teams who are listening, do your research. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor, but just know there is opportunity, there is money to be made this summer. And regardless of how old you are, because some of these side hustles, you might not be 16 or 17, but you could be 13 or 14, 15, maybe 12. Some of these, you can just, if you got the lawnmower, if you got the tools like your smartphone, all these, you can still start. Okay, you still can start because you got information at your fingertips on your phone. You got a bucket, got a rag, got some soap, got the detailed, it's so many different things that you can utilize at your disposal. Look around your house, ask your parents, ask your grandparents, ask your cousins, can I borrow this, can I borrow that? But there's money to be made. So don't worry about as I'm old enough or I'm not old enough to do certain things like drive. But if you got the willpower and if you got the motivation to go out here and make this money and not just sit on the couch and waste your summer, now's the time. So I'm calling all teens to rise up because there's greatness in you. Now's the time. Don't sit on your talent. Don't waste your time when you can be making some money this summer instead of wasting time while everybody else going right past you. So I hope you have enjoyed this part 1 of Teen Side Hustles. I'm working on more for all you teens, and don't forget about my other episodes of the stocks. I got some more crypto. I'm still doing more and more research to bring out for those who want to be traders and want to become investors. I got some for you too, but I just want to lead my teens as we getting closer to summertime. These are opportunities that you do not want to miss. All right. So appreciate you. You know what to do. Hit the thumbs, hit the like, subscribe. I'll see you next one. Peace.